You helping out?
Huh. What do you think, bud? You like this site?
Yes.
Yeah.
Put the tent here?
We need a big area for the tent. I think that's going to be perfect right there. Let's grab any of these sticks so they're not underneath the tent, I think. Just like these ones. Might as well keep them for the fire. Big and heavy. It's about 100 pounds.
Charlie, what tent is this?
The blow-up tent? All right, see if you can unclip these.
Good job.
Through windows and see through roof panels, I believe.
So do you have to take them out every time, or?
Yeah, and that's what the bag's for, so it gets put away, or it's for, oh, you lost your ring in there? This is the rain fly. Pull it out.
I was gonna roll it out, it's heavy.
Oh, Mom. What is that? What?
A hammer?
A hammer?
A hammer? Came with its own hammer?
Comes with its own hammer. Yeah, I guess if you want, well, easy does or easier does. Don't put a hole in that tent. All right, look at that. That's fire steel for starting a fire. Tell me that's not smart. It's got a bunch of other things. I don't know which way that's going. I'm assuming that's lengthwise. That's lengthwise, so cool. What else is in there?
This looks like a pump or something. Is this manual pump?
It's manual.
You're manually pumping it up?
We are going, well, I'm not going to pump it up. You two are going to pump it up.
No.
Are you going to pump the tent up,
I assumed it was a power pump.
Oh, hold that up. Whoa! This is exciting. Keep pulling her. Grab that one for Mom.
Yeah. I'm just trying to see how this is going to go into the ground.
Oh, this tent is such a good...
Right, let me try. I'll get it started, then you can go. You try.
We have a little muffin break.
Thank you to whoever left these at our house on Easter.
Little Easter dinner forgotten muffins that are delicious. These are chocolate chip. They're good. All right. Well, so far this tent is very easy. We just pegged in 4 corners.
Pegged the corners and need a break.
Yeah, pegged 4 corners, and we need a little muffin break. And I didn't even peg any of them.
Good job.
Good job, bud.
I just did the whole thing.
There you go.
Going?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's pumping up, bud. Keep going. Keep going as hard as you can.
Want me to try?
Oh.
Ooh.
Look at the middle, bud. Look at the 2 in the middle each time I go. Somebody's got a tent. Pull that one up, bud. Whoa, holy smokes.
Oh, shoes in here.
Wow, it is big. Oh my goodness.
Let me see. Oh, look how high the roof is in here. Yeah, well, no, this tent has a threshold that'll go to 0 degrees Celsius. So that's the coldest. And I don't remember what the hot threshold is.
This is nice.
Oh, this is going to be great. I can already tell where Dad's bed's going.
Hi.
Hi, bud.
Well, that's pretty easy. Oh.
Let's see what your mom's doing. Mom's gonna come right over to you. What do you feel? Right there? It was a piece of wood. Is it there now? On? Nice. Give her a good one. That's it. Nailed it.
Take the other end. Oh. There's yours. Here's mine.
Get to sleep on these.
Yes, and you know what we're doing? We're joining them together.
Let's get me some birch bark out of there.
This?
Sure, you can put that right here anyways, but keep pulling stuff out until we get to it. You know why we can't cook in the tent this time? Normally we'd cook our food in there, but because it's springtime, and what wakes up in the spring? Bears.
Looks cozy. Oh, you need to get your boot off? Oh, here you go.
Definitely love this see-through door, eh?
Yeah, it's so cozy in here. The other
Well,
tent has more like a green tinge. This one's like brighter.
I think it's time to close these windows up. See what is the temperature in here, bud?
What's temperature in here? Charlie, look.
What's the temperature at?
Is it up top?
It's right here where I'm pointing.
4?
14 inside.
14 degrees Celsius inside. What is it outside?
What's that outside? Not that cold out. What is that?
6.
6 degrees outside? All right, well,
Okay, I'm coming in.
Hello,
hello, bud.
Daddy.
Maybe next time we get this out, we can... Oh, that's nice, eh, bud? Maybe next time we can figure out a configuration to bring the sofa, too. Cheers, bud, but you left your water, you abandoned your water. There you go. All right, let's do that again. Cheers, everyone. Cheers, family. It's funny, she woke up and she went right back to sleep. It sounded like, here's your coffee. Sorry, I'm holding it. I've already had a cup. This is my second. Zipping them up, but you want to stick your head out of there? Quick, before any of that stuff comes in. Ooh, that's nice fresh air, eh?
a work time for food.
Now look, lean back and look up. Whoa, nice,
The
eh?
trees blowing around.
You like eating, looking up at the trees? So those guys, these are just how you like them? Just two, right, babe?
Yeah.
Why do you get that?
Just to crack the egg, because I don't have the best cooking utensils out here. That's how you can crack an egg outside. Just gonna dip my turkey bacon in there. Oh, that's good.